As the Commissioner with training and experience in environmental health, I bring to the court expertise in medicine in general, environmental health, and environmental health impact assessment in particular. This expertise is needed when we have matters before the court that will directly or indirectly affect human health. In such cases, my task is to do the necessary research so that decisions are made on sound scientific bases.
Oftentimes, members of the public are a bit confused between the Environmental Management Authority and the Environmental Commission. Now, the Environmental Management Authority, under the legislation, is supposed to coordinate environmental management and also is supposed to be somewhat of a watchdog to ensure that there is no pollution. So they're there to prevent or control pollution and also to ensure conservation of the environment. The Environmental Commission, however, if the authority, for example, makes an order or gives a decision or asks that some action be taken and a party is being delinquent, the EMA, the Environmental Management Authority, can bring an action to the Commission to have its order or decision enforced. Similarly, if a party feels aggrieved by an order, action, or decision of the Environmental Management Authority, that party can come to the Environmental Commission and appeal such a decision, so that the Commission really is a court in every sense of the word.
The Environmental Commission is situated at the corner of New and St. Vincent Streets in uptown Port-of-Spain. As a superior court of records, it carries a registry. This is the Commission's engine room. This is what drives the free flow of information among members of staff, and it establishes effective communication between the Commission itself and the public. This department is fully functional with proper systems in place for filing of documents, maintenance of proper records. This is done in both electronic and ledger forms. Litigation matters, as well as administrative orders which may lead to litigation or consent agreements, can be filed with the registry.
The public is to be reminded that there are no filing fees for any proceedings before the Commission. The Commission is very interested in feedback from the public on the services that we provide.
The registry is in a state of preparedness, and if I may be so bold to say, we are so sure that we are ready to serve the public. We have even prepared questionnaires where members of the public would be able to fill them out and indicate to us their level of satisfaction.
Documents filed with the registry are considered public documents and are therefore open to inspection by members of the public. The library of the Commission, still in its infancy, is also open to the public. It provides resources on both legal and technical environmental issues and is available for reference only. In the pursuit of its mission and functions, the Commission has decided on a number of stated objectives: striving for correctness and precision in decision-making, maintaining fair and simple procedures for invoking its jurisdiction, ascertaining and giving priority to matters before it, considering appeals as expeditiously as possible, issuing clear and consistent decisions, ensuring the availability of its decisions, rules and procedures to all parties, encouraging settlements through mediation, developing closer contacts with other local, regional and international agencies in the areas of environmental law and management, keeping abreast of the concerns of industry, the public and the state about the environment.
So the Commission now has a very delicate role to play. What we do, we have to maintain a balance. We have to be very mindful that we are a developing country. There is talk about us attaining First World Status 2020 vision, and it's necessary, of course, for Trinidad and Tobago to be able to utilize its natural resources. But at the same time, we have to be mindful of the impact it will have on the environment, so that the Commission is in a very has a very pivotal role to play. And it's not an easy one. We are mindful of the responsibility that we have both to economic development, but also to ensuring that something is left for future generations.
Our attitudes towards planet Earth and the behaviors we display within the spaces that we inhabit can help to harness much of the destruction that already exists. But more than that, a caring approach to environmental management can serve to reverse much of that damage. Hopefully, the positive actions, the attitudes encouraged by the Environmental Commission will continue to prevail.